What's going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome back to a new raffle botting video. Now, every episode has been getting better and better. Let's give you a quick brief overview of every single episode. Our first sale. This is a pair of Jordan 1 Mid GS Royals. First up, we managed to secure 2 pairs of these dunks. So we're going to get them out and we're going to prove to you guys that the 4 pairs have come right here now. So first of all, let's give you guys a little overview of this shoe. It was because my car provider again thought it was fraud. Both of them gone. Both 2 pairs of Jordan 4s have gone. We do have some good news, and that good news is the patent bread has come in, and it is a beautiful looking shoe. So our success has been going up and up, and we are ready to take it to the next level. In this video, we'll be covering 4 raffle botting releases and see how we do. This will be the Yeezy slides, the foam runners, Sakai's, and also the Yeezy 350 Dazzling blue. And let's just say it went really well. Let's go through what we've got and how I got these. So the first release we're going to hop into is the Yeezy slides. I'm not going to lie, we did struggle for this release. We were a bit of an idiot and forgot to enter most of our accounts, so we actually only did enter half of them. However, before I do carry on with this video, guys, all of these raffle wins are from Flair Raffles. Now, I'm going to be honest, Flair Raffles is the only raffle bot I've used, and it's the only one I need to use as well. It's covering a range of sites, and honestly, I've had no problems at all with cooking, and you will see later on this video some of the clips we have hit with it. However, after entering all of these accounts, we did win a whopping 2 pairs of Yeezy slides. Not the best, however, as I said before, we only did enter half of our accounts. So we cannot complain right now. I'm going to be honest, we have been to Crepe City since then, and you can pop up the picture of my table and you can see the 2 pairs of them right there. However, these pairs did sell at Crepe City, so I do not have them in hand. It was this colorway but in the textured kind of style. However, again, really good profit to be made. I think we sold these for about £150 a pot at Crepe City. With the retail of only like £60, you cannot complain at all. It's double your profit right there. Moving on to the next release where it starts to get a bit better. Now this is the Yeezy foam runners. The Yeezy foam runners were releasing, and again we were using Flair Raffles and we managed to enter all of our entries this time. Now a lot of people struggled on this release, however I managed to cop 2 pairs. And here they are. Now, I'm going to be honest, this I think is actually the worst colorway of foam runners, but however, here they are in hand. Again, foam runners are very weird material. However, what I don't like about these is they literally look like they're stained. I don't know if you can see like all these random markings throughout the shoe. For example, on the heel, you can really tell right there, and some right there. It's supposed to be part of the shoe, and I just think it makes it look like it's been worn, so I'm not a big fan. You can see here, though, we got a UK 10, and also a UK 8, as you can see right there. And with only a £70 retail, guys, £150 resale, we cannot complain again. And we've made £80 on each shoe right there. So far we had the 2 Yeezy slides that we sold for nearly £100 profit each. And we've also had these, which are coming in with an £80 profit as well. So far over £300 profit has been made, and we're only halfway into a big release that we managed to absolutely feast on. This was the Sakai Vapor Waffles, and these came out in a triple white colorway and also a black colorway. We managed to get in all of our accounts, and we only entered actually 1 site for this release because I was really struggling on time. However, we managed to pull through, and let's get into the results right now. We managed to secure 4 pairs of these Sakai's. Now guys, the profit on these pairs are absolutely insane. With a retail of £170, resale was looking around above the £300 mark, making over £130 per pair, and it gets even better. So we managed to cop 2 of each colorway. We did sell 2 of the pairs at Crepe City, however we still do have the white pairs right now. Here are the 2 boxes for the white pairs, so I have got 2 pairs of them. And wow, guys, it is a beautiful looking shoe. Unfortunately, we have sold the black pairs. However, you can pull up the picture of the Crepe City table and zoom into the 2 black pairs we did have, and I'll get into the prices that we did actually sell these at as well. But this shoe is a beautiful looking shoe, and obviously with the high retail, it is definitely worth it. You can tell it's a very bulky shoe with a lot of good material and a lot of good quality as well. In my opinion, I do prefer the black ones. However, these white ones are still very clean, good money to be made. So we got 2 pairs of the white ones and we got 2 pairs of the black ones. One of them sold for 330 and I think the other one sold for 310 or 320, around that mark. Guys, that's over £140 profit on each pair. So again, Flare Raffles has been killing the game for me. This is all within the last 2 weeks of Raffles. Now, in our next video, we'll be breaking down the exact profit we made on each of these shoes in our road to 10k profit, so make sure you're keeping your eyes open for that. However, before we get into the biggest cook of all, if you guys would like to join my group, which is a group where we teach you guys how to start sneaker reselling, how to start raffle botting, how to start building your own business. However, it'll be top link down in the description below, guys, to get a free 5-day trial, no contracts, no fees, a free 5 days within the group, guys, so you can kickstart your reselling business, your raffle botting career, and get started. If you want all of the features of all of our cook group, that'll be second link in the description below as well, which leads us to our website, which shows you 3 different tiers regarding our group. Tier 1 being more beginners, that gives you all the sneaker related info. Tier 2 giving you monitors and all of the sneaker related info with some extra help. And then Tier 3 being your top of the range, which is going to include all of your sneakers, NFTs, random resale, everything you need within Tier 3, which also gives you a one-on-one call as well. However, second link down in the description below will give you all of the information, all of the features of each tier. However, we're offering free 5 days for Tier 1. Get on it now before it is too late. This will be the last video we do about this, so make sure you go down that description below and claim it right now. Let's get into our biggest cook of all, and this is the Yeezy 350 Dazzling Blues. Now guys, we went all out on this release. I wanted as many pairs as we can get, mainly because I know this 350 I can sell well. Now, profit margins aren't the highest on StockX. However, guys, it's a Yeezy 350, one of the OG colorways. I can 100% believe to myself that I'll be able to pull in at least £30 profit if I am patient selling them on my website, selling them privately, or selling them local as well. So I wanted to go all out for this release. I was going for as many pairs as I possibly can, and that's exactly what we did. We managed to hit a total of 16 Yeezy 350 Dazzling Blues. 16 Dazzling Blues arrived, all of our address ready in hand, ready to go, and I'm ready to showcase them to you guys right now. But again, Flare Raffles absolutely killing this release for me. And I will leave a link to Flare Raffles down below in the description, so you can join their waitlist and get your hands on this bot as well. But yeah, guys, a beautiful looking shoe, the Yeezy 350 Dazzling Blue. I will be keeping 1 pair for myself, so I am very, very happy as well. But members in my group, if they did struggle to get a pair, I managed to offer them a pair for retail with our backdoor service for Tier 3. But yeah, a beautiful looking colorway, the black with the blue stripe as well. It's definitely going to be one I'm keeping for personal. However, we have not sold any of these yet. We are going to hopefully try and get a table at Wembley, London, Crep City, so we can obviously sell them there. But overall, guys, we have made some crazy money these last 2 weeks from raffle botting. And if you look at episode 1 compared to what we're doing now, the progression has absolutely been insane. So just a quick recap of all of these pairs right now. We hit 2 pairs of slides, we hit 2 pairs of foam runners, we hit 4 pairs of Sakais, and we hit 16 pairs of Dazzling Blues. Now, I'm going to be really honest, guys, that is basically pulling over £1,000 in profit in just the last 2 weeks of raffle botting. So guys, it does show to you, put the work in, put the time in, put the research in, which is the biggest part. Get yourself into a good group and start raffle botting now. Now, the reason why I don't go into detail of how I'm hitting these sites is 1, because this is for my group and for my group's information. 2, raffle bots and raffle bot developers will watch this video to see how things can be changed, and I ain't giving away Flare Raffle source for these sites. I do not want websites that I raffle bot watching these videos knowing I'm botting their site and winning pairs from them. So that's why I do not give out information on YouTube. However, again, within my group, we help you as much as you need. But yeah, crazy couple days, crazy couple weeks for raffle botting. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Remember to drop a like, comment, and please do subscribe to the channel. We are closing in on 5,000 subscribers, and I am so over the moon about this. Remember, top link down in the description below to claim your free 5 days. It's going to be expired soon, so make sure you are claiming it right now. And apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Good luck in all your releases, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.